Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to tell you how can we create a column hover animation using Elementor. So let me show you the demo first of all. So here you can see we have three containers here. So when I mouse hover on the first section here, you can see the text is appearing as well. And this section, the learn more section is appearing as well. When I mouse hover on my second section, the image is changing as well and the text is appearing as well, same as it is on the third one. So let me show you how can we create this. So just go to your WordPress website, then click on just create a new page, then click on edit with Elementor. So I already did that, and then let me just remove this page name. So just click on page settings. So here click on add title. So now here just click on plus icon here and then choose a flex box, then choose a container here. So now just click on six dots here and just go to the advanced section here and then give it a margin 100 from top and 100 from bottom. So now I will just click on plus icon here again, then flex box, then I will choose these five containers here. Then I will delete the last two containers. And here I will just click on six dots here, then just copy these containers and just paste it inside of this container. And now I will delete these containers. So here you can see we have an external container, and inside of that external container we have three internal containers. So now just click on external container. I will name this one external and these three internal. So I will just click on external container, then give it a minimum height of 600 pixels. Same as it is, just go to the style tab and here click on background tab and then insert an image here. So let me insert an image here. Same as it is as I have shown you in the demo. Then I will go to the image settings. I will make the position center. Repeat, I will make it no repeat. Display size, I will make it cover. Then I will go to the background overlay and here background type, I will choose a black color here. So here you can see. Then I will make the opacity here 0.4 and then I will go to the border section here. I will make a radius of 10 from all sides. So now I will go to my widget sections again and here I will search for a spacer and I will just drag and drop the spacer in my first internal container and then I will make it 10 pixels. Let me just keep it 50 for now and let me just go to the element section here and let me search for image box. So here is the image box. Just drag and drop the image box after the spacer. Here it is. And then just click on here edit spacer and make this one 10 pixel. Now just click on here and here just remove the image and now here I will make this section here first adding and here I will keep it same as it is. So now I will go to the style tab here and here I will go to the content section here. I will choose a typography Montserrat and then I will make the size, let me just make it 36. Okay. And I will make it uppercase. So now you can see it's in uppercase. And now I will just change the color into white. And then I will go to the text color here. I will make it white as well. So here you can see, here it is. And let me just make the over color as well white here. So now you can see it's white and white. So now let me go back to my widget section again and here search for an adding. Let me just drag and drop the adding here and I will just name it learn more. So here you can see I will go to the style tab here again. I will make this section here Montserrat same as it is and I will make the size here, let me just make it 20. And here I will make the transform into uppercase. Let me just make it 18. So now I will just change the color here. Let me just make it white. Over color, same as it is white. And now just click on this internal container here, and here just give it a space between. So now you can see here is a space between, and just align atoms, make it center. So now just click on this learn more section here and go to the advanced section, and here just go to the CSS classes and give it a name. So let me just give it a name. So I will name it learn button. So here you can see I'll just name it learn button, and here then just go to this image box section here, and here just go to the advanced section here, and here in this section let me just give it a CSS class as well. So here just name it image box. So this section, the CSS class name is image box, and this section is learn button. So now here you can see we have given these two sections a name, and then just click on this internal container here and go to the advanced section, then go to the custom CSS and just copy this. Let me just drag and drop my code section here. So here you can see content has disappeared. So here and here. So I will share this code into description or in the comment section, so don't worry about the code. So now same as it is, what you have to do, just click on here and duplicate this section, and same as it is, duplicate this section as well and delete these last two containers here and here. So now you can see, and just change the adding. So here I will name it second adding. Here you can see, and here in this one I will name it third adding. So now you can see here, here and here. And then just click on external container here and go to the advanced section here, and here just give it a CSS class name. So just give it a name BG inner section. So let me just, so here just insert this. So here is the name BG inner section. So now what you need to do, so just click on here the plus icon, flex box, and choose a container here. And now what you need to do, just go to the widget section and search for HTML section here, and just drag and drop this HTML section here. And now just copy this code. So let me copy the code and just paste it here. So now you can see I have inserted this code here, and now just click on here on the structure here. So you can see we have this HTML here. Let me just drag and drop it here. So let me just drop it here. So now you can see it's inside of this container here. So here it is. So let me just delete this container. So now you can see HTML is here. So let me just exit this here. So now what you need to do, just go to your, here you can see we have the background images here and here. So now I already inserted the background images here. So here you can see we have the background images. So let me just click on external here, and here you can see we have BG inner section, and let me just give this container here. Here on this container, just go to the advanced section and here name it column 3. And here on this container here, just name it, go to the advanced section, same as it is, just name it column dash 2. So now I have named it column 2 and column 3. I will just go to my this section here and I will check the names. So here you can see we have column 3 Let me just copy it and let me just paste it here again. Here it is. And in this section, let me just go back here, and here let me just add it again. So it is column 2. So now in here we have BG intersection, and now let me just go to this code here, and here let me just add the images again. So let me just go to my media library here, and here let me just copy this URL. So here it is, I have copied it. I will go to my column section here again, and here I will just change the URL. Let me just go back here and let me change the URL of this image. So here I have inserted this URL same as it is. So now you can see the image has changed here, 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 and here. So I already inserted this image URL here. So I just showed you how can we do that. So that's how you can make the complete section. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, so kindly ask in the comment section. So let me just publish this, and let me show you here. Here you can see here, here, and here. So let me compare it with this one here, here. You can see we have a border here. So let me show you how can we insert this border here on this section here as well. So just click on this second container here, go to the style tab and go to border here, and just make the border solid here. So here you can see, and here give it a border color here. For example, let me just make this one here. So let me make it on the left one and on the right one as well. And here just make this one little bit transparent. And let me just click on publish, and let me check this section here. So it's not here, you can see it's little bit appearing here, but it's not showing the complete color. So let me just make it little bit something like this, and let me click on publish, and let me see here. You can see the border color now. So just compare it with this one here and here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section.